portal.
Hi there, Mary Moses here, and I created a new shelf. She's called Dimension, and she totally glows in the dark. She glows so strongly, and she has a pretty rose handle, and I've got a baby chicken that lost, or its mama's laying an egg. Come on, baby, come here. Come here. It's all right. I know. You're gonna have to come with me and talk about this together. Say hello. Say hello. All right. But you can use this as a meditation cabinet. I totally lost my train of thought. Anyway, I'll come back and show the inside and also show how it glows. Okay, so the door comes completely off. You can spin it around. When you turn out the lights, you can spin it, and this door itself really glows in the dark. And it has a beautiful little star in the middle. And you can put your crystals, you can put wands, you can put perfume, you can put soap, you can put jewelry, you can clip jewelry to the top of her hair, you can put rubber bands on her hair. She could be a jewelry box, she could be a music box, she could be anything you want her to be. Now let's see what she looks like in the